Hi there you guys, I'm Teddy from BijuTeo Beading, and in today's video I'm gonna be showing you how to make this beautiful crystal or rondelle beaded ring. It's really easy to make. I will show you step by step. The stitch I'm showing here is beginner's level, and I already showed you how I made some earrings with the same stitch. Believe it or not, these spiral earrings I did with the same stitch, and I will link to them. Okay, then I make those beautiful earrings in my previous video, and I promised that I will make a ring in my next one, so I'm doing this. I'm showing it really easy step by step, so I'm sure you will be able to make it by yourself. If you want to support me, it's a good idea to subscribe and hit the bell. If you hit the bell, you will be notified when I release matching jewelries to the ones that I have already done, like in this case, and you will be able to make beautiful sets for presents or for yourself. And you could also like, share and comment, and you don't know how much you help me only with this action. And if you make beautiful jewelries following my tutorials, please share them on my Facebook page that I posted below this video. I will be so happy to see your creations. In description you could also make PayPal donation or check my store to support my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Now I will start with the list of the materials. Okay guys, so what I'm going to use for this video are 8 beads in this beautiful golden color, and here I'm using faceted crystal, or also called rondelle, which is 6 by 4 millimeters, and here I use monofilament, that is 0.006 inches or 0.15 millimeters, and I used size 10 beading needle and scissors. And now I'm going to put about half an arm span of thread on my needle, and I'll be... Okay guys, now I'm back, and I'm going to take 4 of these beautiful beads, okay, and I will slide them down, stick my needle in my mat, and here I want to make a knot. And I will make my knot by making a loop and going twice with my tail thread through this loop, and I'm going to pull, then I will make one more knot. Now this is what I have, and what I'm going to do is go through these beads one more time, like that. I want to make them stay next to each other, you see. Okay, and here what I want to do next is go through this bead, only through this one, okay, like that. Here is my thread, you see, and I will take 1 8 bead and I will go back in this direction. Okay, I'm going like this, and you see what I have. My bead is here, you see. Then I'm going to take 2 more beads of this beautiful golden color, and as I'm exiting out of here, I'm going here in this bead, pulling and fixing. I have something like a herringbone. This is herringbone stitch, and this one is on top of my herringbone. Okay, now here is my thread, and I'm passing it here, okay, in front of this bead, and then I'm going here through these 2 beads, like that, you see. And now I will go 1 step back, only through the first one of my 2 that I just added. Now I'm going to take 1 bead and go back here. You see, I have my second bead added. Then I will take 2 more, okay, like that. Go in this direction, like this, and go in front of this bead. Then 2 beads in this way, like that. Then go just 1 bead backwards. Take 1 8 and go in this direction like this. I have 3 beads here and 4 beads, 4 rows in this direction. Okay, 2, go back, okay, fix and go in front of this. Okay, then go through these 2 like that, go backwards just 1 bead, take 1, go here, and I will show you one more time. Okay, going backwards with these 2 beads, go in front of this one and go in this direction. Okay, then what I do is that I go through this one backwards, take just 1 and go here. Now guys, you see what I have here. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 rows and 5 beads that are sticking out, and I need to make 6 more rows and 11 beads that are sticking out, and I'll do this off camera and I'll be back. If you forgot how I'm doing this, just rewind this video and repeat this process one more time and you will have what we need for our next step. Okay guys, and now I have 12 rows and 11 beads that are sticking out. Okay, and now I'm going to turn my work in this direction, and what I want to do in this step is connect my first and my last rows. Okay, and as I'm exiting out of here, I'm going through the very first row that I did where my tail thread is. Okay, I'm going here, then I will turn my work because it's easier for me, and here I will go through these 2 beads and pull. Then I'm going here through these 2 again. Okay, like this. Now your beads are connected, and what you want to do is go through only through this bead here, and make sure your thread goes in front of this bead. Like this, pull it, and I want to make it go in front of this one. Okay, this is what I have now. Now you see what I have here. I have a missing bead that sticks out. This is my 12th bead and I'm going to add it. Okay, take this one, and as you're exiting from this bead, go here through this one in this direction. Okay, and pull. Okay, this is what I have here. Then go through some beads in this direction. Okay, like that. Okay, now I'm here, you see, and I'm going to take my crystal. You see, you could put a round bead inside instead of crystal, but I like to put rondelle. It looks really cool. Okay, and then what I do is that I slide this bead down, and I'm pulling like this, and here I will go also through the opposite bead like this, you see. And now I'm going to go around all of those beads. When I'm up to here, I will try to find my hole again. You see, here is my hole. I will go one more time through it. Okay, And now guys, my thread is almost over. It won't be enough to make my ring band. That is why what I'm going to do here is make a knot and cut my thread, okay? Let's find a place to make a knot. Okay, let's say here, making a loop, and I'm going once, and I'm going second time through the loop I've made, and I'm pulling, okay, like this. Then I will go through my next bead. I will make one more knot here, and then I'm going to cut my thread, and this is what I have. This is the center of my ring. And now I'm going to take half an arm span of thread on my needle, and I'll be back. Now guys, I have half an arm span of thread on my needle, and I'm going to start making my ring band, okay? And for my ring band, I'm going to add this new thread here to my work, okay? Here is my tail thread. I'm holding it like this with my fingers, and here I will make a loop like I showed you. I'm doing it, okay? I'm making here a loop, going once, going twice through the loop I've made, and I'm making a knot. You see? You could do several more knots if you want your work to be really secure, and then cut your tail thread. And now you have newly added thread to your work, okay? And you see how this bead is here at this edge of my crystal, and I'm counting 1-2 beads from here and going through the following middle bead of my work. You see I have 2 beads here at the edges of my crystal, and I have 5 beads between them. 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5, okay? And from these 5, this is the middle one. Here I have 2 beads, and here I have 2 beads. This is where I will attach my ring band, okay? Then I'm taking 2 beads, and as I'm exiting from this middle bead, I'm going back in circle through it and pulling. Then what I want to do is make an additional thread path, okay? That is why here I will go through the middle of my crystal again. You see where I am now. Now I will go through all of those beads in this direction, and then through all of those, and I'm exiting here at the beginning of my ring band. And what I want to do is go here one more time through those beads, attaching them to my next beads, okay? I attach them here, and now I will make an additional step reinforcing my work, and I want to exit again here at these beads. You could skip those steps, but then those beads will be sticking out and not laying exactly close to your work. Okay, and then I'm exiting here. Okay, now I'm going to take 2 8-0 beads, and I'm going here through these beads like that. Then I will go back through these 2. Now here is what I have, and I will take 2 more, and here I will make a simple herringbone stitch without beads that are sticking out like I was doing before. and I'm going here through these two beads. If you're not familiar with the with the herringbone stitch, it's really easy. Okay, I'm showing it slowly, so I'm sure you will be able to make it. Okay, then I'm going here, going back in circle through this one. I will show you one more time and I will let you do this until the end of this row. Okay, now I will continue this and I'll be back. Okay guys, and when I continue this, I have here 23 rows that are enough to wrap it around my finger and finish my ring. Okay, and now what I'm going to do is attach this one here. And how I'm doing this, I'm counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 beads, and I will go with my needle through the 6th one. Okay, and I will pull. You see what I have here, let me focus. My thread, here is my thread. It's exiting out of this bead and it's going here. And when I pull, I have this. Okay, now go here through these beads. And here through these two. Then go one more time through this one. Okay, and pull. Now you could do the same thing, connecting this to this one, and in order to do this, go again through this crystal, through it's the middle of its crystal, of this crystal, like this. Then go through these beads here. And here, you see, just connect those beads to your work. I'm telling you again, you could skip this, but I think it's better to do this. Okay? Then what I do next is that I make some knots and cut my thread. And I showed you a few times before how I'm making knots. I'm first making a loop, then I'm going once and I'm going second time through the loop I've made, and I'm pulling, and I will make some more knots. And when I'm ready, I will cut my thread. Okay, now you see what I have. I have this beautiful ring ready. Okay guys, and now my ring is ready. So if you like it and you want to see more and more videos like this, it's a good idea to subscribe and hit that bell button to be notified for my new absolutely free upcoming videos for fresh beading ideas. And don't forget that I'm releasing matching jewelries for to the ones that I have already done, and if you hit the bell you will be notified for my new projects and you will be able to make beautiful sets for presents or for yourself. You could also like, share and comment, and you don't know how much you help me only with this action, and I'll answer to all of your questions down there in the comments. And if you make beautiful jewelries following my tutorials, please share them on my Facebook page that I posted below this video. I will be so happy to see your creations. You could also make PayPal donation or check my store down there in description. You will help my channel this way. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye from me.